Today we are checking out the WF-HTTX61 key portable electronic keyboard piano, an all-in-one starter kit that lights up your learning, literally. This sleek black board comes with built-in speakers and a microphone, plus a sheet music stand and power adapter. So whether you are a total newbie or gifting it to a young musician, you'll be ready to play right out of the box. Key features and specifications. This multifunctional keyboard packs 61 full-size keys, 16 instrument tones, and a variety of drum pad percussion accompaniments. You'll find 6 demo songs on board for inspiration, plus smart modes for delay, vibrato, recording, and programming your own tracks. The integrated speaker and mic let you belt out melodies or plug in headphones for late-night practice, and the included sheet stand holds your music at just the right angle. Price. Right now, this beginner-friendly set is priced at $45.99, making it one of the most budget-friendly full-feature 61-key bundles on, complete with free returns if it's not the perfect fit. Pros and cons. On the plus side, users love the illuminated keys for guided learning, the all-in-one accessory package, and how lightweight it is for moving between rooms. On the flip side, some reviewers mention the plastic build can feel a bit flimsy, a few keys may stick over time, and the speaker volume tops out quickly at higher volumes. Customer reviews summary. With an average rating of 3.8 out of 5 stars from 56 reviews, buyers praise its value and plug-and-play simplicity, especially for kids and absolute beginners. A handful point out minor quality control hiccups, like wobbly stands or uneven keys, but most agree that for under $50, it's a steal to get started. Should you buy it or not? If you are looking for an affordable, no-hassle way to dip your toes into piano playing, or need a fun, lighted key kit for a young learner, this WF-HTTX keyboard bundle is a solid pick. However, if you crave pro-grade key action, deeper sound libraries, or robust build quality, you may want to step up to a higher-end model down the road. For getting your musical journey off the ground, though, this bundle really delivers.